Legend and Craft. Guys, welcome back to Legend and Craft. In today's video, I will tell you how to make this super cool paper house. You can also play dollhouse with it. You see, there is doll sitting inside here. Wow, it's super cool. So let's move on to how to make it. craft is ready. In today's video, we made this dollhouse and you all know about it. It is super stylish and easy as we made it together. I think someone's inside this. Yes, there is. Let's see who it is. Wow, it's a doll. This way you can play with this house and it is super cool and stylish and so easy. It stands properly and you can make it in any design and color as you want and in any size as well. So now if you like my videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment.